Hello everyone, welcome to my channel टेक स्टडी टेक्निकल मैकेनिकल स्टडी। आज मैं आपके लिए बेयरिंग प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन लेकर आई हूँ जो आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। टू लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। The first question is, what is bearing? The answer, a bearing is a mechanical component that reduces friction between moving parts. The second question is, what are the type of bearings? For answer, ball bearings, roller bearings, thrust bearings and plain bearings. The third question is, what is the purpose of lubrication in bearings? For answer, lubrication reduces friction, wear and heat generation. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. The fourth question is, how do you select the right bearing for an application? For answer, consider load capacity, speed, operation temperature and environmental conditions. The next question number 5 is, what are the common cases of bearing failure? For answer, overload, poor lubrication, contamination and improper installation. Question number 6. What is the difference between radial and axial loads? For answer, radial loads act perpendicular to the shaft while axial loads act parallel. अगर आप नए हैं, अभी जुड़े हैं, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर जरूर करें और आगे क्वेश्चन जानने के लिए मेरे साथ वीडियो पर बने रहिए। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज़, व्हाट इज़ बियरिंग क्लियरेंस? फॉर आंसर, द इंटरनल गैप बिटवीन रोलिंग एलिमेंट्स एंड इनर आउटर रेसेस। The next question number 8. How do you measure bearing clearance? For answer, using a feeler gauge. Question number 9. What is the importance of proper bearing installation? For answer, ensures optimal operation and extend service life. Question number 10. What are the signs of bearing failure? For answer, increased noise, vibration, heat and reduced efficiency. Question number 11. What is the purpose of a bearing cage? For answer, to retain and space rolling elements. Question number 12. What are the different type of bearing materials? For answer, steel, ceramic and steel, ceramic and plastic. Question number 13. What is the difference between ball bearings and roller bearings? For answer, ball bearings use balls while roller bearings use cylindrical rollers. Question number 14. What is a self-aligning bearing? For answer, a bearing that can accommodate misalignment. Question number 15. What is a thrust bearing? For answer, a bearing designed to handle axial load. Question number 16. How do you calculate bearing life? For answer, using the L10 life calculation or manufacturer guidelines. Question number 17. What is bearing preload? For answer, a predetermined amount of interference between rolling elements and races. Question number 18. What is the purpose of bearing seals? For answer, to protect bearings from contamination and retain lubrication. Question number 19. What are the common bearing applications? For answer, industrial machinery, automotive, aerospace and robotics. Question number 20. What is the difference between static and dynamic load ratings? For answer, static load rating is the maximum load a bearing can withstand without deforming, while dynamic load rating is the maximum load a bearing can withstand while rotating. Question number 21. How do you inspect bearings? For answer, visual inspection, vibration analysis and lubrication checks. Question number 22. What is bearing fatigue? Material fatigue due to repeated stress cycles. If you all are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Question number 23. What is the importance of bearing maintenance? For answer, regular maintenance extends bearing life and prevents unexpected failure. Question number 24 is, what are the different type of lubrication methods? For answer, grease lubrication, oil lubrication and solid lubrication. Question number 25. How do you store bearings? For answer, in a clean, dry environment, protect from contamination and damage. Question number 26. What is the purpose of bearing retainers? For answer, to retain rolling elements and maintain spacing. Question number 27. What are the common bearing failure methods? For answer, fatigue, wear, corrosion and overheating. Question number 28. How do you troubleshoot bearing problems? For answer, identify symptoms, inspect bearings and analyze root cause. Question number 29. What is the importance of bearing selection? For answer, proper selection ensure optimal preference, reliability and longevity.